In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save hotels on Expedia, Wishlist, Favorites. First, open your web browser and search for Expedia. In the results, choose the official site. It's usually one of the top results, and you'll recognize it by the expedia.com address. Picking the official domain helps you avoid lookalike pages and make sure all features, like saving favorites, work properly. Once the home page loads, go ahead and click Sign In at the top. Being signed in ensures that anything you save will stick with your account, so you can find it later on your phone or another computer. If you're already signed in, you'll see your account menu instead, and you're all set. Next, make sure you're browsing under the Stays tab. Enter your destination city, choose your check-in and check-out dates, and set the number of travelers. When everything looks right, select Search to see available places. You can always adjust dates or filters after the results appear if you need to narrow things down. On the results page, you may notice a price trending graph or a Watch Prices section. This feature shows how rates are moving and can notify you about changes. It's optional, but it's a handy way to keep an eye on pricing while you shortlist favorites. To save a property directly from the search results, look for the small heart icon on each hotel card. It's typically in the top right corner of the hotel's thumbnail image. Click the heart to save that hotel. When it's saved, the heart usually fills in or changes color, confirming it's now on your list. If you want more details before saving, open a hotel to view its full page. On the hotel detail page, you'll find the same heart icon near the hotel name or close to the main photo gallery. Click it there to save the property without leaving the page you're reading. Every time you click the heart, Expedia adds that hotel to your trips. This is your central place to revisit everything you've saved. Later, you can return to trips from the main menu to compare options, check updated prices, or remove anything you no longer want by clicking the heart again. Your saved list stays in sync as long as you're signed in. That's it. Open Expedia, sign in, search your destination under Stays, and use the heart icon on either the results list or the hotel page to add favorites to your trips. Happy planning, and enjoy building a short list you can refine when you're ready to book.